Today we're going to show you how to change the inlet valve on your front load washer. It's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of slip joint pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the model that we've chosen today for you is actually part of a stacked version, and we've removed the dryer ahead of time to give you a better idea of what you're going to see. Now the first thing we'll need to do before we begin the repair is to disconnect the power to the washer, and we'll also want to remove the fill hoses from the back. Now next we will simply pull the wire harness off of the water valve and just let that hang there. Now our next step will be to remove the two Phillips screws from the back. And we can pull the valve through from the inside so that we can get access to the clamp. Now with our pliers, we'll depress that clamp, slide it up onto the hose, and take note of the orientation of that hose so that when we go to install it on the new valve, we have it lined up properly. Remove the old valve, set that aside. Take our new valve, fit it into the hose, make sure it goes in all the way. Line it up properly. Reinstall the clamp. Fit the inlets through the openings in the back panel. Reinstall the two screws. Now the mounting bracket for the new valve does not have any threads cut into it yet, so they'll be a little hard to turn in at first. But the self-tapping screws will cut a new thread into them, and then they'll turn easily. Make sure it's snug. Make sure you tighten both screws firmly. Reconnect the harness to the terminals on the valve. Now we're ready to reinstall the fill hoses and reconnect the power. And our repair is complete.